Elements of Design and Decorator's Voice. And today we're going to do an unboxing of my baby shower gift bag registry gifts. So when you go to register for your baby shower or you go to put in the items that you want, you are given a gift bag by certain retailers. So I registered with the Baby List, Bye Bye Baby, Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Now, the reason why I registered for them, and this is a tip for especially for new moms, if you register for your baby shower with a certain company, I always suggest you put everything that you want on your gift registry, because at the end or when it's close to time for you to have your baby, they will send you a coupon which will give you a percentage off of the remaining items. So say for example, even if you register for like a big ticket item like a crib that costs $500-600 or something, or your stroller or whatever, something that someone may not purchase for you, you can still register for it, and then at the end of your pregnancy, before the baby comes, they will send you either a 15% or a 25% off coupon for that. So although I was registered for 5 different places, I only really shared my baby registry to my family and friends for Target, because I didn't expect for them to go to all those other places. So anyway, we're going to do the unboxing of those 4 gift bags. But before you forget, please give this video a thumbs up and then also subscribe. That way you can stay tuned to all of my home decor, organization, and planning and productivity tips. If you hear a little fussing in the background, that is actually Bailey. She's right beside me in her crib. She's sleeping, and she's just sleeping and doing her thing. So as long as she's sleeping, she's fine. But if she wakes up, then we'll have to take a short little break and take care of her. So the first video that our first unboxing is Baby List. Now, I did not open up these. I just kind of took the tape off before, just so you can see it. Now, with Baby List, one thing I like about them is it's online, and Baby List, you can put in or you can incorporate your registries for other companies. So if you have registered with Amazon or Target, you could actually incorporate it with Baby List. So the first thing we have here are all these little milestone moment discs. And I didn't know about this. I guess this is just 1 day old. I don't know how many days old it comes, but this is just one of those little things that you put on your pictures. You put next to your baby, and then you can take the picture. So this is neat. I'll just sit it to the side. Okay, and this is, it says Yumi, Y-U-M-I. I don't know what this is, but for the sake of time, I will open it really, really quick. It's a gift card. I don't know how much it is. I don't even know what Yumi is, but I will be going online and figuring out exactly what it is. Okay, and then there is a baby registry guide. So this book looks like it tells you everything you need to know about the baby registry. So that's pretty interesting. Okay, we have a Skip Hop. It's a coupon for 25% off Skip Hop. Now, Skip Hop has some really nice baby bags that I absolutely love. And this is like a rattle. Okay, there are some samples of Lancaster, and I guess this is a cream and I guess it's just a cream. Breastfeeding samples. Oh, some disposable nursing pads as well. Okay, this is some little some cards that you can give people. You can put these inside of your baby shower invitations to let people know where you're registered. Okay, we have a sample of some Pampers Pure Wipes, and then also a coupon, save $4 off. So that's pretty good. Okay, what is this? Nano BB baby bottle. I don't quite know. It looks like one of those bags that you put your breast milk in, but anyway, it's a sample of that. Okay, Even Fold Balance bottle. Some Baby Bum shampoo and wash. Huggies Special Delivery, the perfect diaper. Here is a Even and Full pacifier. a pack of water wipes. I've heard about these. I heard these are like very, very pure. They're like 99.9% water, so that's interesting. And then some Pampers Sliders Registry gift. So I'm assuming this is, I'm gonna make the baby up too much. Let's see what's in here. It's a changing pad, which is really good. Pamper, I think this is a size 1 Pamper. Some Drift. Some coupons. So this is really good stuff. And then some more coupons. So that's it for baby lists. It's pretty good. I like it. What I'm going to do is write a blog post about everything. And then I will have links. And then also let you know what was in each gift box registry. But there was a lot in this baby list. Now, baby list, they actually did charge, I want to say like $5 or something, but at the end, you actually got to get a coupon for whatever it is. So I think that's, they didn't want to just give the box away to everyone. Okay, so this one is the Amazon gift box. Now, the Amazon was a little bit different. So with the Amazon, you actually had to make your registry online, and then you had to purchase something off of your registry. Now, in my household, we purchased from Amazon like once or twice every 2 or 3 days. So what I did was I just put something I normally would have already purchased on the registry, and then I purchased it. And then I got the gift box, and it was free. And I want to say it's free just for Prime members, but I'm not sure. So in this box, we have some bio oil, some Cetaphil, which is really good, nice little sample. Some Aquaphor to sample. This is, a little bodysuit, moon and back. This is kind of cute. I heard that some people get bodysuits, some people get different things. So this is a nice little unisex bodysuit. It's kind of big. This is a 0 to 5 month. All of my babies are 6 pounds, so they all were like newborn. But this is still very nice. And like I said, it's unisex. It's really, really soft. Moon and back. It's really soft. I've never got the onesie that soft before. Okay, so some Avant disposable breast pads. This is the same little Huggies Perfect Diaper Sample Special Delivery. The Honest Company, their Pamper. A Dr. Brown's bottle. This is anti-colic Dr. Brown's bottle. Oh, this is really neat. This is a muslin swaddle blanket, and this is really neat. I really like it. It's a nice little box if you want to regift it or something. If you have a million swaddles, this is like a perfect little regifting box. Okay, so that's all for the Amazon box. So like I said, the Amazon box, it was completely free. You just had to purchase something or have someone purchase something off your registry. So that is that. And like I said, I will leave a link to my registry so you can kind of see some of the things that I put on my registry. I am a 4th-time mom. Bailey was my 4th child. Okay, so this is one from Bye Bye Baby. So this one is the Avant bottle. So what else we have here? Some Honest wipes. Now these little packs of wipes are really good to keep in the baby bag because you don't want to put like the really big, little plastic container. So these little samples are perfect for the baby bag. Okay. Some other, breast milk storage bag, and then this disposable nursing pads. And then this is just some tips, and I want to say it's a sample, a really small little sample of like the nipple cream, which is supposed to be really good, and a coupon. So when you're breastfeeding, okay, this is a Bye Bye Baby on board. Some water wipes, again, like I said, this is really good. This isn't just good for babies. This is good for like your toddlers for cleaning their nose and their hands. This could be something that you can keep in the car if it's not too hot and you don't have to worry about it drying out. These are some little boogie wipes. Cocoa butter stretch mark cream. I love cocoa butter. I use that like all the time. It doesn't even have to do with being pregnant. That's just what I use. Okay, so this is some type of wash. I don't know what type of wash this is. I've never used it before. This is just for the baby's skincare. And then this is some Honest Company shampoo and body wash. This is a folder. Oh, this folder is really neat. I wish I would have seen this earlier. It has like a checklist of different things that you can do by trimester. Okay. Some other little samples of different things. Some paper, some coupons. Some more coupons, $5 off, and a Baba Baby credit card, and just other coupons and different things. What is this? Noodle and Bow laundry detergent for baby. I've never heard of this, but it does have a $1 coupon, and it's supposed to be, you know, pediatrician tested and hyperallergenic, so that's really good. Let's see, another pacifier, and a coupon for some gripe water. And we have some, oh, a sample of gripe water and some Aquaphor. So the Bye Bye Baby box was really good as well. Like I said, all these things are really neat. And the samples are nice. And I'm going to really try my best this time to use the samples. I've gotten samples before, but I'm kind of old-fashioned, stuck in my ways. But I'm going to try to use my samples because, you know, there's always new things and things are always improving. So this box is the Target box. Okay. Some Eucerin, which is really good. And, you know, my family, we suffer from allergies and also eczema, so this is really good. A Dr. Brown's bottle. This is a small bottle. It's kind of like the thin one. And it says it actually fits breast pumps, so that's interesting. Okay, and this is another Avant bottle. So that's a total of like 4 or 5 bottles. Pampers from Honest Company. Some more water wipes. Up and Up, which I think is a Target brand, their diapers. This is a coupon. Oh, a coupon book for Target. So one thing I like about Target's coupons, you can use your Cartwheel coupons and also your Target credit card, and you can still get, you know, your 5% off. And then you can also take advantage when they have those spend $100, get $20 off, get a $20 gift card. So those are really good. And those gift cards are perfect. You can turn around and use that gift card like in your next transaction, or you can save the gift card and gift it away to someone. So this is some information about the Target breast pump program, and then also another sample of Aquaphor. This is Pampers Swaddlers, another sample of the Pampers brand, the Lancaster. So I guess they put this in like all of the gift bags. Another nuke, so the baby has plenty of nukes. Let's see, a sample of the Palmer's stretch mark cream. What is this? A hand sanitizer wipes. Now these things are really great for your baby bag and or your purse or your work bag. And then Aveeno Baby, and then also Johnson & Johnson. And if you didn't know, because a lot of people were kind of trying to do away from Johnson & Johnson, I actually love Johnson & Johnson products, but some people go with Aveeno because they don't like Johnson & Johnson. Well, Aveeno and Johnson & Johnson are the same thing, so there you go. So anywho, that is it for my 4th baby box. So, like I said, please don't skimp out and don't forget about to do those registry, because it's completely free and it's so much information, because each bag, each box gave a lot of information, gave a lot of samples. And sometimes, you know, when you're doing this mom thing or this dad thing or grandma thing, you know, some things are trial and error. So I was really trying to get this video done before the baby woke up. But please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then also subscribe. And if there's something that you have a question about or comment about, leave it in the comment section below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. And once again, thank you and have a divine day. Goodbye.